Hey crafty peeps, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a little unboxing, and this is from Happy Crafter Shop, Lisa Goss, who we all know and love. I'm participating as part of her design team, and this is what I have, my guest design package. It just came in the mail, and I'm so excited because I'm going to unbox it with you and show you all some of the beautiful things you can get in her shop. Now, I do know that with Lisa's shop, she has a lot of cute stuff, but her stuff sells really, really fast. So if it's something you see, something you want, jump on it. A link to her channel and her Instagram where you can follow her and see notice of new things that may be coming in the shop, as well as what I will create. So let me just open it and see. Oh, and I just love her packaging. I love how she puts everything together in this beautiful tissue. And this is what you'll get in your order, a card. And on here, it has where you can find her. This is her website, happycraftershop.com. And then she has her IG, which is Happy Crafter Shop, and her own personal craft channel, Happy Crafter _Lisa. And you can also find her on YouTube, Happy Crafter. And she also gives her Gmail address of anything you might want to suggest she carry. So I love the little heart, what goodies she's sent me to create with. I'm excited. And here we go. And this is my code, Robin10. You can put that in where it asks for coupon code to get 10% off your total purchase. So I'm loving what I see already. Oh, I love these. And so here I have some envelope clay bits. I love these. These are so cute. The tiniest little envelopes. And then they have the nerve to have a little heart on them. I love these. So I'm excited to create with those. And then here, perfect for spring, some flour mix clay bits. So this is a mix. So let me see if I can just open it. I want to show you everything. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be a part of her team. And look, oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. See the tiny little flowers and mix of some white and pink clay bits. The next thing I have are these plastic bells, they're called. Oh, and they're perfect for charm making. Look how cute. They're like a little charm. It has a hole here and they're clear. I love those. That is so cute. That would be perfect for a dangle or some other projects. So I'm excited to play with those. Totally clear there. Plastic bells. And then also I have, oh, these cute little flat back bunny capuchons. Too cute. Super adorable. Look at the cute little bunny. And I love that she has some purple little flowers. I love that. That is so cute. So I'm excited to use those. Those are really cute. Especially for Easter and spring crafting. And here we have some bunny cabochons with the strawberries. So let me look at these. Here's some tiny ones. And these are super cute. Oh, and look, she's holding a strawberry. That is the cutest little thing. Oh my God, that's so precious. So I'm excited to use those. And let's see. Oh, and I love these bows. These are called frosted bow capuchons. And let's look at these. Love how Lisa packages every order. And I know personally because I've ordered from her several times. I love how she takes the time and care and packages every order. Special just for you. Oh, and these are cute. I love these because I love bows. Love those pastel colors. Love that they have the little sprinkle of dots. Those are too cute. And in here I have green. I have like a mint color, pink, and a purple, like a lilac color. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are too cute. Mint beads. And they have a hole. They have a hole going across there. So when you string them, you can string them that way. Really cute. Love the clear frosted resin on these. These are super cute. So those are called mint flower beads. And look at these. Oh my goodness. Bunny flat cabochons. Let's look at these. OMG. These are super cute. Look at these. Oh, look at the little bunny. And she's holding a tulip. Too cute. And this is a nice size. These are about 1.5 inches. Yeah, about 1 inch, about 1.5. Super cute. I love these. Nice size. I love the coloring. Those are really nice. Here we have some pink bunny cabochons. And these are beautiful pastel pink. And I love this style. This is so cute. Let's see. These are about 1 inch. Really cute. Those would be really cute on an Easter or a spring project. And bunnies are not just for Easter. You can use them year round, I think. Oh, and look at these. Love word cabochons. These are really cute. Love the combination of the mint and the peachy color. And this is about 1 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch. Really cute. Oh, love that. I love those love. Those are really cute. Lisa, you have so many awesome things. Oh, and look at these. Love these colors. Transparent mixed bows. So these are probably sold as a mix, as a variety of different colors. Just so I can show you. And look at the colors. So these are cute. These are so tiny. These are probably about 1/2 inch, guys. Let's see. Yeah, they're about 1/2 inch. Cute. Those cute as embellishments. Sit those there. Oh, and look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's called White AB Rhombus Sequin Bits. And I love these packaging. Don't you just love these bags? The holographic with the pink, and then these were gold. Love this packaging. So just take a little out so you can see. Oh, look at the shine on that. That would be so pretty in a sequin mix. Can't wait to use that. And then here we have, these are called transparent shapes. So these are a variety of shapes. Let me see if I can just put a little in my hand. And so you could see. Oh, so you can see it has hearts, it has stars, little stars, big stars, it even has some X's. Oh, so cute. Little stars, little hearts. Love that mix. That would be really cute in a sequin mix too. Let's see, we have 2 other things here. And let's see, oh, these are darling. Pastel holographic alphabet sequins. Oh, and I love alphas. And love that they're holographic too. It's like hints of yellow and light blue and pink. And I love how they change color in the light. So super cute. And last but not least, these are called round sequin bits. You can see it's different colors and different shapes, a different mix. And it's, oh, these are really pretty. Some smaller ones, some big ones, and you can see the different color, how they shift and change in the light. Those are super cute. Put that back in there. So I'm super excited. I have so many fun things to play with. I'm not sure what I'm going to play with first. But I wanted to get on and show you guys beautiful things you can get at Lisa's shop. And again, her shop name is happycrafter.com. That's her website where you can go and order some of these beautiful items. And again, if you see something you like, go ahead and order, because I know she tends to sell out fast. But I love what she sent, and I'm excited to give you guys some inspiration and to show you some awesome projects you can create with these items. Go over and support her shop. And again, you can use my coupon code Robin10, just how it's spelled, my first name and 10, and get 10% off your total purchase. But please go over and see what she has at her website. I will have it all linked below. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.